If you are done setting up your school information in Advidesk, the next step is to add your student information. To begin, go to School Setup, then select Student Information. In Advidesk, you have two ways to add your learners. The first option is to encode their information manually. You can enter the learner's LRN, sex, last name, first name, middle name, name extension if applicable, and the other required information. Once all the details are complete, simply click Add Learner. However, to make the process faster and to avoid possible mistakes when manually entering learner information, it is highly recommended that you upload your SF1 instead. To do this, click Upload SF1. Then locate and select the SF1 file that you downloaded from the LIS. Advidesk will automatically read the file and import the learner information into the application. Once the upload is complete, you will see that the learners from your SF1 are now listed inside Advidesk. If you notice any information that needs to be corrected or updated, you can still edit the learner's information manually. Simply select the learner and edit the necessary details. For the name extension, such as Junior, Senior, 2, or 3, you may enter it in the designated name extension field or place it after the learner's name, depending on the format you prefer to use. Once you have reviewed the information and everything is correct, your student information is now ready. The next step is to input the learner's grades. Once the grades are entered, Advidesk will be able to use the information in generating the different school forms available in the application. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to input student grades in Advidesk.